Today I am doing slime. Let's start it. First take a container and spatula. Open it. Take glue. Okay, now I am adding fabric color pink. Okay, now we'll mix it. It's getting tricky. Now I am adding some glitters. Yes, it's falling like this. It has so much glitter. Wow. Thanks. Yes, right? See. Oh, red has some. This one also over. The red and silver only came like this. See, that's glowing. See this, guys. Glitter. I love this glittery slime. Wow, so nice. Wow. Too purple, yes, right? Same like purple, I was thinking. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye bye. See you next video.